Solid, nigga. Real street, nigga. 100%, 110%. Ain't no cut on this shit, nigga. This shit blue magic, nigga. Like Frank Lucas, nigga, on God.
Mark shit, y'all niggas capping. Y'all niggas faggots, y'all like to chump dick. 4L gang, really a savage, I'm not with the op shit. You say you want smoke, you don't want no smoke, you running the 12. I kept me a Glock, I had to do 5 when I was 12.
Motherfucking Papa YouTube, it's your boy Casey back at it again. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get this little prank on my brother, you know, you feel me? So I can't talk too loud. So basically I'm about to make it seem like I'm coughing out blood and shit, like I'm sick, I'm dying. I need a doctor. Yeah, make it seem like I need a doctor or anything, something like that. So yeah, I'm basically don't say nothing. I'm about to get his reaction and my sister's reaction. So bang, let's get it. Boom, nigga. All right, better get started. Shh. Hold up. What the fuck? Oh shit. Hey. Sorry. Blood right here. Coughing on everything. Calvin, come here. Let's bust my ass. Calvin, go get me a napkin. Go get me a napkin. Come here, bro. Clean this up, clean this up. Don't wait. Oh my gosh. He looks so scared. Kyle, come here. Call Courtney, I need something.
What? Calling you.
Oh, L. Cody, give me a napkin. Give me a napkin. You see the camera. Pick that up, pick that up. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I don't think so. Throw this away, throw this away.
Wait, I don't get that. I want to.
Oh, you want to touch it? Here. Give me some more.
Okay.
These niggas just don't care about my life. Just, am I okay? Don't tell no one. Calvin. Discord no. Discord no. Don't talk. Just keep talking about the case. He looks sick. Courtney, come here. Give me some more napkins. Courtney.
I'm gonna try to find out what it is.
Dog food. Don't tell mom. Oh my gosh. I don't feel good, Courtney. I feel like I might pass out. Just stay in here just in case. Okay?
Chrissy, what happened to you?
Nothing. It's a prank.
He just quit.
Calvin knew. He saw the camera.
Yeah,
I'm
nice.
ugly ass on the camera.
My sister, I ain't get my brother though. He knew all along. I got my grandparents though. My grandpa was like, he was scared. He thought I was gonna die. But you know, real soldiers don't die, you feel me? That was a nice one.
Yeah, bro.
I get a W.
Yeah.
I get an L for you though. You ain't fall for it. I could have. Nah, Corey would have fell for it.
Yes, he would.
I think he would have. You fell
I
for it?
noticed the camera, bro.
You got it, Courtney?
Yes.
That's a W.
Yes.
Throw up a W for the squad. Yes, sir. Come on, throw up a W. She'll speak English, so y'all can't blame her. But A4LG squad, man. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and give us a like, man. Comment below what you want to see us do. What should I say, man? Love you guys, man. We hit 155 subscribers. Let's get to 160. You know what I'm saying? My little man. More plates coming soon, man. I promise I gotta try and get another one for y'all by today. If I don't, slap me and unsubscribe and tell my mama she gotta die. And that's it. Ain't that right, y'all? Say bye to the squad.
Bye. Bye.
Okay.
I remember it was 7th grade, no friends, no kicks, no hoes, all bros. Niggas try me get a blight nose, too lit, I don't sleep, I just need the money, bro. Fat pockets all on me, money found in flower though, damn.